For those who haven't purchased yet, we can see how to purchase and deploy our OpenClaw on our Lighthouse. Here we can buy directly. Hello. And here we just choose OpenClaw image. And the region, I suggest to choose one closer to your location. And I'll choose Hong Kong here. And for the type, I recommend for 2 vCPUs and 4 GB. That would be faster. And we just buy now. If you guys have a voucher, you can just redeem here. Here, enter your voucher code, and I will send voucher code later, and you can enter your voucher code here. Then submit your order. If you have any question, you can drop it in the chat here. And welcome to our screen. We are showing how to deploy OpenClaw on Lighthouse, and we'll introduce some skills later. Okay, it's done. Let's finish. We have some new thing here. First thing is this Lobster Hospital. This is a new feature. If your OpenClaw is lagging or have some connection issues, you can head over to the Lobster Hospital. It has one-click repair and one-click troubleshooting. And if it still cannot fix problem, you can just submit a ticket or join our discussion in our Discord. Here you see if you have any connection issues, just click here and it will repair for you. And also one-click troubleshooting. Another new feature here is we have launched an AI assistant. You can just log in here. The new AI assistant is an OpenClaw AI here, OpenClaw AI assistant, and it supports connection to major large language models like DeepSeek, GLM, Kimi, and this assistant is tailored specifically for users who are less familiar with CLI but want to create projects using OpenClaw. So we can try this. I want to deploy some skills. And it will answer your questions. It is active with comprehensive OpenClaw knowledge and also integrates specialized skills for installation, deployment, and troubleshooting. It provides this kind of step-by-step guidance to help you overcome some technical barriers and help you set up your project and resolve issues with ease. So let's try out this new feature here. So let's back to the installation. Here, we set up model. If you already have model, you can paste your API key here. And here I will just paste my model, the snacks. Let me find my key here. Okay, and channels, today we are going to connect to Line. I don't know if you are a Line user. If Line is a very popular IM in Thailand and Japan, and if your friends are from this case, it will be useful for you to connect to them. And connecting Line is not very easy as WhatsApp. Let's see. First, you need to go to the Line developer. This one. Okay, and then let's log into the console. You need to log in your Line here. This is our new feature. We launched the panel integration to Line last week. And here you need to log in your business account and you scan with your QR code. You need to scan on your phone of your Line. And let me scan here. Okay, and it has a code. Just type it on your phone like this and confirm here. Okay, then it is confirmed. And here you need to set up the developer name. Let's try OpenClaw and email. Okay, Okay, agree. And here we are going to the Light developer. Here, then we create a new provider. Provider name, OpenClaw. Okay, create. And then create the messaging API channel. Create a Line official account. You see, to connect Line with the OpenClaw, must register for a Line official account, because you don't actually need to link it with real company, but the regular personal account work. Here we need a phone number. Have you guys used Line before? Okay, then the verification is complete. Here we need to create a Line official account. Your account name and email address is my nickname. Okay, you can choose any industry here. You don't need to be a real company and just submit. Okay, then your official account is ready. Okay, then we go to, this is a new page, the official account manager, and we'll go to settings. Here, response settings, click chat, and then messaging API. Here, enable messaging API, and you choose the provider you just created here. Agree. Okay. Okay, now this channel secret, let's copy this, and we paste to our console. The channel secret. Okay, done. Then we also need this access token and your user ID. We go to this page, the developer line, and here at the console home, yes, we found the OpenClaw we just created. Now we have messaging API here. And at this here messaging API, we scroll to the, issue the access token. Then this is the token, just copy it and paste it to the channel again, access token. Okay, then go back to the basic settings. Here we have your user ID here. Copy this. And also paste to the channels. It's almost done here. We already have connection to Line, Discord, Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, and it's done. The webhook URL just copy again and go to here. We go to the Line developer, and the messaging API, right? We have a webhook URL and edit it. Then we paste the URL here and click use webhook. You can verify this. Okay, it's a success. So this is done. Okay. And also we paste the webhook URL here and save. Then it is done. See, it's not that complicated, right? Complete. Then if you can see my phone, can you see my phone? Okay. So we have this OpenClaw here, and it's saying nice to meeting you, and you can talk to it.